Hello children, how are you all? Fine? Enjoying? And staying at home also, right? So, I'm here with the third video of the chapter, the tsunami, and I'm sure you have gone through properly through the last two videos of this chapter, right? So, same chapter 2, the tsunami, I'm going through. This third part of this chapter, it's covered the incident of tsunami happened at the coastal part of India and Sri Lanka, right? So you can see the picture. See, I have kept two pictures over here. You can see where is Sri Lanka and where is that the wave of that tsunami. This is, I think you know, you have learned through that SST, social studies. Then also I have kept these two pictures, and see few pictures also I kept related to that tsunami. Now, when people were suffering, when people died, at the same time, something happened to animals also. So here I have kept conditions of animals, right? While humans lost their lives, wild and domestic animals were also suffering a lot and lost their lives too. They are also on the earth and they also suffered a lot and they lost their lives. We'll come to know what happened exactly in Sri Lanka and that coastal part, right? I have covered some hard words with meanings which are in that third part of this chapter, right? So, slammed, hit or entered terribly, right? Fled, ran off. Bhag jana. Eyewitness, a person who has seen something happened and can give a first-hand description of it, right? Who has seen exactly the incident or the happenings, right? So, who can give the exact description of that happening or incident is called eyewitness, right? Enticed, attracted. Sometimes we say, no, this is very attractive. So, like this way, enticed, attracted. Disasters. What is the disasters? A sudden accident or a natural unexpected event, right? Caused by nature, such as an earthquake or flood, in which there is a lot of suffering, damage or death, right? Refuse shelter, frightened, afraid, terrified. Breeding areas. What is that breeding areas? Nesting place, right? Nesting areas or place. Abandoned, left, ran off, went away. Sixth sense, to have an additional sense. We all have five sense organs, but animals, they have one more sense, that is additional sense, right? We'll come to know what is that additional sense, what is that sixth sense. Knowing beforehand, कुछ भी हो जाने से पहले पता हो जाना, right? Withstood, to be strong enough and not to be damaged by anyone, right? Forewarned. What is that forewarned? Got advance warning. Got advance warning, right? पहले से संकेत मिलना, right? Giant, big and powerful. Vibration, trembling and shaking. Trembling or shaking, right? Perished. What is that meaning? What is the meaning of perished? Destroyed, ruined. बर्बाद हो जाना, ख़त्म हो जाना, नुकसान हो जाना, right? Variety, many kinds. Types, many kinds. Then carcasses. What is the meaning of carcasses? Dead bodies, right? Probably, perhaps. Probably, perhaps, right? Shayad. So in this part 3, which is mentioned exactly the story of the incident of Sri Lanka, I told you, and that coastal part of India. Just before the giant waves slammed into the coast in India and Sri Lanka on 26 December 2004. So what exactly happened on that particular day and this particular area, right? All the animals fled to a safer place as they have sixth sense so they were knowing something is going to happen. I told you sixth sense means knowing beforehand, पहले से पता हो जाना. So animals, they have this strong sixth sense. Before happening tsunami, they came to know, as they were having sixth sense, they came to know, they were knowing something is going to happen. So what happened? Elephants started screaming and ran for higher place. When they came to know, because of their sixth sense, elephants started moving towards a higher place to save themselves, to save from the dangerous tsunami. Dogs refused to go out and tried to hide inside the houses as they were afraid. Dogs also came to know something is going to happen, so they were not ready to go out. They were also trying to hide themselves as they were domestic animals. Some domestic animals were there, so they tried to hide themselves somewhere under the sofa, under the chair, under the blanket, like that. Okay, they were afraid. Flamingos and all other birds abandoned their nesting places and flew towards a safer place. Birds also came to know something is going to happen. So all birds, flamingos, they flew away to a safer place, leaving their nesting place. Somewhere they left their eggs with babies, right? They cannot carry their nest eggs, so they were to leave their eggs, they were to leave their nesting place, and they were rushing, they were moving towards a safer place. Zoo animals also, it happened to zoo animals also. Zoo animals rushed into their shelters. In the zoo, we can see animals are kept in a particular bounded area. Then also they were out of their shelter. But when they were also knowing something is going to happen, so they rushed into their shelters. सारे अंदर शेल्टर के अंदर भाग गए, छुप गए. Animals screamed. डर तो सभी को लगता है, एनिमल्स को भी डर लगा. So all animals started screaming, shouting, and they running here and there. What to do? They were not knowing. They started screaming like anything. They can't say help us like human beings. They started screaming as they were afraid. Not so many animals lost their lives. Not so many animals lost their lives on that particular day in Sri Lanka and coastal part of India. I told you they have sixth sense. Because of their sixth sense, they came to know something is going to happen. So they were moving away to a safer place, to a higher place. And animals, they were suffering. Animals, they suffered, but then also somehow they managed themselves. See, you can see these pictures and you can guess. In water also they are trying to save themselves. See the dog with baby horse. On that horse one a monkey is there. So this way they try to save themselves. Even human beings were also there to save them, right? See that domestic animal, one man is carrying animals on his shoulder and he is also trying to save them. See, here also animals, they suffered. We can guess, we can see these pictures and we can think about them. Really, even we can guess how much situation was, how much dangerous to them. See how they are suffering. They were suffering a lot. Conclusion, I can conclude this chapter saying this way, mentioning some points, main points, like because of pet and domestic animals, many people were saved because they were noticing their behavior, animals behaviors they were noticing, and they were also guessing something is going to happen. So because of that, some domestic animals, they were not ready to go out for a morning walk with his master. So this way also many people were saved. 1,50,000 people died during this tsunami, 2004 tsunami, which happened on 26th January. 1,50,000 people died. 60 visitors and 2 buffaloes died in Yala National Park of Sri Lanka. Very few animals died except that 2 buffaloes, right? 1,000 people were washed away from Sri Lanka. So you have to remember this much only. Go through this video again and again. Thank you and have a wonderful day. Be safe, right? Listen to your parents, stay at home, learn properly and try to memorize all these things, right? Bye. Take care.